be echoing what John has already said. First of all, we are not too late. Yes, the project, based on traffic forecast through 2040, with the inclusion of the Balfour Parkway, has been presented to the public with the inclusion of the Balfour Parkway, has been scored by NCDOT and the MPO with the inclusion of the Balfour Parkway, and funded so that the design effort could begin. But now the Balfour Parkway has been eliminated and will not connect to Highway 191 in the vicinity of Mountain Road. The portion of the project inside Mills River has just been modified by NCDOT to change both the lane configuration and the alignment, so other sections of the project could also involve similar changes. The project is already funded, yes. The improvements to Highway 191 between Mills River and Mountain Road should proceed, but the amount allocated should not drive the design requirements. The road should be straight if possible, yes. Driving in a straight line is probably safer overall, but roadways have curves, especially in western North Carolina. We contend that adjusting the alignment to reduce residential impact should be considered. The Transportation Advisory Committee has the expertise and experience to oversee the validity of the traffic forecast for this project. There are projections for growth in our area that are elements in the modeling used by state guidelines, but it should be remembered that the schools on Highway 191 are at or near capacity and would not generate increased traffic through 2040 if using the same extrapolation as the general area traffic. And almost all of the school traffic occurs at 2 times a day with reduced speed limits for safety, and most cars returning the direction from which they came. The forecast should be updated given the elimination of the Balfour Parkway and should be reviewed for reasonableness of projections. Quoting a traffic forecasting handbook, the assessment of reasonableness should examine traffic projections in comparison with observed traffic and historical trends, prospective roadway improvements, and land use projections. The quality control review should also perform error checks to ensure that input traffic numbers have been correctly transcribed and traffic forecasting computations have been done correctly. In other words, does this make sense? We contend that the current design for Highway 191 in front of the Triple Creek subdivision does not make sense in today's context of eastbound traffic funneled down to 2 lanes at Mountain Road and with no Balfour Parkway in the future.
Wow, Jill, you were right.
Thank you.